Hello, my name is Alessandro Iattoni, and I'm a technician from Rubino. At the end of the 1970s, our company started producing its first PVC belts, called Vipla belts, because the external coverings were made of thermoset plastics instead of thermoplastic ones. Only step junctions could be made, and with the use of bicomponent glues. Instead, today we have thermoplastic PVC conveyor belts, which we called ViplaFood, in order to recall the origins of this collection. We're talking about 18 types of conveyor belts, with polyester fabric on the lower facing side, suitable for contact with dry and packaged food. They meet the needs of 80% of simple conveying market, where volumes and working conditions are not particularly complicated and where external agents do not directly affect the belt. We are going to see some of the advantages. Warehouse available raw material ready to be worked. We have a collection of 18 articles cataloged with an individual code, thus speeding up response times. Wide, simple, inexpensive, and versatile product customization. The ViplaFood belts can be easily customized, resulting in a reduction of packaging time, thus lowering the final price. 100% internal Italian production. Our packaging departments avoid any risk of product remakes and any waste of time for assembly and dismantling by working with in-process quality control and with ISO 9001:2015 certification. PVC offers excellent value for money, but at the same time imposes some application limits. Resistant to a maximum 80 degrees Celsius temperature. The minimum roller diameters of rolling cannot be lower than 1.1 inches, apart from the monotextile type, which has up to a 0.7-inch minimum diameter. Low resistant to solvents, oils, and greases. Application fields are endless. Here are only a few examples: beverage packaging, pasta, and assembly lines. You can find further information on our website prrubino.it.